Hello and welcome. In today's video we are using Power Query in Excel to retrieve data from a master workbook. In this workbook we have financial data, but we are going to use Power Query to fetch the data by each country and put in a separate worksheet for each country. When this is complete we can refresh the data with one click of the refresh button, so as your colleagues are adding data to the master file you can retrieve the data summarized by each country. So in this file, in column B, we have a list of our countries. We're going to use Power Query to bring it back to our workbook by each country. So to do this, we go up to Data, click on Get Data, from File, from Workbook. Click on the file we're looking for financial data. Click Import. Up comes the navigator window. Press on the financials. Up comes a preview. So this is exactly what we're looking for. Then we click on Transform Data. Then loads the Power Query editor window. Now to bring back the data for each country, we're going to filter by the country. So we click on the country. First we're going to filter for Canada. Press OK. Now we're going to name this query Canada. Go up to Close and Load. Click on the bottom part. Then Close and Load to. I'm going to load it to the existing worksheet. I'm going to load it as a table and press OK. Now Power Query has brought everything back from Canada. If we filter column B, all we have is Canada. Name this sheet Canada. Now, to bring back to other countries is only a matter of duplicating it for each country. So we right click on the query, duplicate. We go back up to our country. We unselect Canada, select France, press OK. Come back and we'll name it France. Open Close and Load. Close and Load 2. Again we're going to do import it as a table, and this time a new worksheet. Press OK. Name the sheet it's France, and it's simply repeating the steps for each country. Germany, click on Close and Load, Close and Load 2, table, new worksheet. Again, close and load 2, as a table, new worksheet. Now, all our countries have been summarized in their own worksheet. And to update these queries then, as your colleagues are adding data to the master workbook, which will simply go up to data, press the refresh all button, then our queries will be updated. I'm just saying, for Canada, we don't want all the columns. We can simply edit the query, double click on the query, just saying we're not interested in any of the columns, we just want sales. So press the country, scroll across to sales, hold in the control button, click sales. Now right click and select the button remove other columns. Now you can see we just have country and sales. Go up to close and load, press the close and load button. Now you can see all that comes back from Canada is country and sales. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please like and subscribe, as this helps my channel. Thank you for watching.